Have you ever wondered what it would take to build a city on the moon? Well, China might have just found a major piece of the puzzle. The VA brought back the first set of experimental lunar soil bricks after these blocks spent a whole year orbiting Earth on China's space station. This is a huge step toward building actual structures on the lunar surface. Last week, the Shenzhou 21 spacecraft landed, not only bringing back 3 astronauts, but also these very special bricks. Scientists were thrilled to see them. Initial checks showed the samples held up incredibly well in the harsh environment of space. One researcher, Zhou Yan, mentioned that upon opening the container, the bricks were in great condition with no visible damage from tiny meteorites or space debris. The only noticeable change was that their color seemed a bit lighter, which is something they'll investigate further. So, what are these bricks made of? They're not just any blocks. Each of the 34 returned samples weighs about 100 grams and was made from materials that mimic real lunar soil, or regolith. Using advanced techniques like hot pressing and microwave sintering, scientists made them super strong, about 3 times stronger than a standard brick you'd find on Earth. This extra strength is crucial for withstanding the extreme conditions on the moon. Some of the bricks even had pre-made seams to test how their mechanical properties would change over time. This experiment isn't just about strength. Researchers are also studying how well the bricks handle temperature changes and resist radiation. They kept an identical set of bricks here on Earth as a control group. By comparing the spacefaring bricks to the Earthbound ones, they can figure out exactly how the space environment affects the material. Professor Zhou explained that by studying these samples and future ones, they hope to build a model that can predict how these bricks will behave after 5, 10, or even 20 years on the moon. This all ties into China's bigger picture for space exploration. They plan to land astronauts on the moon by 2030 and start building a lunar research station by 2035. The biggest challenge for any lunar construction project is the cost of getting materials from Earth. It's incredibly expensive. So, being able to use resources already on the moon, like lunar soil, is a game changer. These tiny bricks could be the foundation for humanity's future on the moon. What do you think we should build first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on our journey to the stars.